We've all been there, fighting frizz, dealing with heat-damaged hair, and trying to find that perfect shampoo that actually does something about it. If you've struggled with heat styling damage and dry strands, I've got something you might want to hear about. Let's dive into the CHI Infra Shampoo, a product that promises to hydrate, nourish, and help restore your hair's natural beauty. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on more honest, in-depth beauty reviews. And if this video helps you, please give it a like. It really helps others find these reviews too. So what's this shampoo all about? CHI Infra Shampoo is specifically designed for heat-damaged hair. If you've been using a lot of styling tools like flat irons, curling irons, or blow dryers, your hair might be looking a little worse for wear. This shampoo aims to restore moisture, repair damage, and fight frizz, all while gently cleansing your hair. One of the standout features of the CHI Infra Shampoo is its unique formula. It uses CHI 44 ceramic and cationic hydration interlink technology. I know that sounds like a mouthful, but what it really means is that the shampoo helps to lock moisture deep into your hair's inner structure, making it feel healthier, shinier, and more manageable. If you've ever tried shampoos that leave your hair feeling stripped or rough, this is the opposite. It's hydrating without being heavy, and it works to improve the strength of your strands over time. Now, when it comes to ingredients, we're talking about a sulfate-free, paraben-free, and cruelty-free shampoo. For those of you who are particular about the kind of ingredients you put in your hair, this is a bonus. The absence of sulfates means you're less likely to experience that squeaky clean feeling that actually strips your hair of essential oils. Instead, you get a gentle cleanse that doesn't compromise on performance. Using it is super easy. Just wet your hair, apply a small amount to your palms, and work it through your hair from scalp to ends. You'll get a nice lather and it rinses out cleanly. If you need extra cleansing, you can always repeat the process. I've been testing this shampoo for a few weeks now, and here's what I found. It's incredibly gentle, yet it works well to clean without drying out my hair. The texture of my hair feels smoother, and it's much more manageable, even after styling. It doesn't weigh my hair down, which is a huge win for me since I have fine hair that can get limp quickly. However, if you're someone with really thick or coarse hair, you might want to pair it with the Infra conditioner for added moisture. While the shampoo does hydrate, it's a bit light on its own for very thick textures. But overall, it's a solid option for anyone dealing with frizz or damage from heat styling. Now, let's talk about the price. At 32 ounces, it's on the pricier side for a shampoo, but considering its high-quality formulation and the size of the bottle, it's actually pretty reasonable. For those of you who value sulfate-free, paraben-free, and cruelty-free products, this is worth the investment. Comparing it to other shampoos for heat-damaged hair, CHI Infra definitely stands out in terms of its ability to restore moisture and enhance manageability without heavy buildup. Some of the more affordable alternatives might not offer the same level of hydration, so if you're willing to spend a little more, you'll get great results with this one. When it comes to the build quality, the packaging is typical of CHI products, simple and functional. The bottle is sturdy, and the shampoo's consistency is just right. It's not too thick or too runny, making it easy to control how much you use. So, who would I recommend this for? If you regularly use heat styling tools and your hair is showing signs of dryness or damage, this shampoo is definitely worth trying. It's especially great for anyone with fine to medium hair that needs hydration without heaviness. If you have thick, coarse hair, you might need something with a bit more moisturizing power, but this is still a great option for daily use. If you've already tried the CHI Infra Shampoo, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out the link to purchase this shampoo in the comments or description box. If you found this review helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss any of our honest reviews. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.